Hi all, Kevin here from Lambert ATV Sales in Roscommon. Just here to show you this brand new Farmtrac 26 horsepower hydrostatic model that has just come into stock. This one here is fitted with industrial BKT tyres all around. It's selectable 2 and 4 wheel drive plus diff lock. This model, all Farmtracs come with a low, medium and high range. It's just a matter really of selecting your range, and you have your 2 pedals down here for forward and reverse. You have a hand throttle here, and also you have a foot brake to your left. We have 2 spools with our 540 PTO and 540E. These Farmtracs come with a Mitsubishi diesel engine. So I'll just pull the bonnet here. Mitsubishi diesel engine. Comes with a flashing beacon as well. These can be road registered. There is a rear work light here, an LED light. I'll just start it up here for you. We have a handbrake down here. We can arrange finance this tractor over 2, 3, 4 or 5 years with the option of paying a deposit up front. So for example, over 5 years, this machine can be financed for €72 per week. That's with VAT included, no deposit. If it was a thing that you were to forget to put on your handbrake, there is a safety sensor. So for more information on this machine, you can give myself, Kevin, a call, or if you'd like to inquire about finance, you can text us your name, address, email address and a contact number, and we'll arrange the finance for you. Thanks for watching.